Welcome to Hard Reset Info. In front of me Sony Alpha camera, and now I'm gonna show you how to manage slow and quick motion settings in video mode on the Sony camera. First, of course, you need to open the S&Q settings in movie. So this is the second block, first page. So find S&Q settings, and here you have record settings. So this setting is unavailable likely because it's fixed based on my current video settings, but I can change the frame rate. So frame rate, so you can choose the frame rate for S&Q mode, which determines how fast or slow the motion will appear in the video. So S&Q settings, so this mode is used for recording video at variable frame rates for special effects like slow motion or fast motion. So 150 FPS, very high frame rate for ultra slow motion, 25 FPS, standard frame rate for regular motion, 12 FPS, lower frame rate for fast motion effects. And you can choose other options too. That's it. Thanks for watching and bye.